Greetings, this is the dancehall professor with a quick public service announcement. Tonight, you will not be getting the conclusion of the Ruko and Quickfoot story. That big something that will look like a shootout or go on, we'll save it for tomorrow. But here's the good thing, tomorrow you'll be getting 20 minutes posted at 10 p.m. So make sure to stay tuned, see? But tonight, what we're going to show you is behind the scenes and just some of the things that we go through on a daily basis. Now, I know that somehow I got flare up on the feelings and kissing your teeth and nobody watch it because I'm a wagonist. But I want to big up the real supporters, the ones who watch everything for Expressions JA, whether it be Bartender, bloopers, behind the scenes, or other things that we have on the channel. I want to say to you, enough respect and continue to support the channel. See? So tonight, we are showing you the behind the scenes of the big shootout with the Guan, a Spanish town. See? So stay tuned. This is the Dancehall Professor, and thank you for being a part of Expressions JA and supporting the Bartender. Check it, don't wreck it, we make it, and then one take it. You see me?
Where I reach?
Get ready for roll out.
So we're going to Spanish Town,
Yeah.
Jago Heights, up our range. A part of the journey is going to be a small hike.
Alright.
Small one.
A small hike, a
Small
walk.
hike.
So, you hear him say small, so you know say when we go over there we have to see if it's small.
It's not the
Him
small
say it's
hike.
small, you know.
Guess what? When she came that corner, walk over the place there. I don't go that corner the
Yeah,
show.
man.
You see? So me I talk about. So what going on with that? When you say small, you know.
Look at seriously.
Alright.
That keep giving me more food now already.
Kingman, she want our food.
Space in this up for me?
Yeah, you can hold.
Yeah?
Yeah, just follow around mine. Can't miss this, you know. Alright.
Somebody say come over the side there. Come on, let's go.
Alright. Ready up.
Yeah, everyone
Oh,
have to come
God.
out. Me have to come out, bro.
Nah, man, Shelly. Look at the car look like it turn over when it come out. Yeah.
Up in the hill we I go. Yeah, man. I go deal with one of the baddest and the maddest scene right now.
Yeah.
Inside. No one to see say. The thing not easy, you know.
We go all out for them.
Yeah, man. We have to go all out to make them get to the content inside.
Yeah.
Show them deal again, my bro.
Yeah, man, see it there? See it there? Pay big stone. Normally, anything other than a John Deere, you know, come up here so with it unless a D12.
Easy.
Yeah. Come on, hell of a soul there, sir. Crank it, yeah. Good. You see what you missed?
Yeah, man, I didn't see it, you know.
Okay.
Villa. When you done with the back of this? Villa, lock your car.
Alright?
Trouble.
Dog, I'm far with 90s of video. Yeah, man. Outside, I like. Which I say, you know, look like a rifle, man. Jaja.
Mostly so in terms of certain activities, we never use this for it because it can make rock and it can make damage. So it's mostly for posing. Try them getting you alone until you reach. And when you reach now, the gunshot in the ear and say, hold on then. And we find where it's going. So it's 3 against 3 now. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. So we just it's just movements and rate. And every now and then we get like a dialogue.
Auntie Jane, what is your real reason?
Watch them.
And King. Hi. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, this.
I said, what a selfie, no, eat me a cup.
Which one?
Alright, no, just let them stay right there, sir. So we're not going to do the walk across, let me see what it look like.
It is. Come up here, so where you go?
It is.
So remember, we're not going that way there. Yeah?
So go back over the side. Go back over the side.
Tracks that we have to go through when you want certain things done. And yeah, you want perfection out tight. So at them kind of something here we got through. See bush? Bush. No, Jen. Groove there where you can plant your foot, yeah. There we go. Alright, so they must scout out which part they are going to use and all these things. Vicious, so you say anywhere them want you, them can put you? Vicious say anywhere them want him, them can put him.
Action. Good. You know, back here, so. Yeah. See him move over to the side and snap. Ready? Rolling. Up with it, up with it. Up with it. Rolling. Action.
Hey, who them up in that bush?
Up yours.
Move, man.
It over there. We have ended filming and we are leaving. Prof, how was filming?
Hectic but enjoyable.
You got what you want, all they want?
Not everything. With some shoot you have to start early.
Mm-hmm.
So the light is not a factor.
Okay.
Once you start lose the light, you have to start hurry up to shot them. Then
You miss a whole heap of
you
things.
feel like you miss a whole heap of things, and then when you watch it back, sometimes you kind of cringe and say, come could have do that, and could have do that. I think we get at least 80% of what we did set out for do. And we really want a shootout scene. Long time we want an exciting shootout scene. And I think this is one of them. Another exciting shootouts.
Okay, cool. And we have one of the actors, Vicious.
That is it, you know.
How was shooting today?
Fun. Enjoy myself, you know. But now I tell a lie still. Like the part where pow. Yeah, miss Cadian still. Me sorry, me don't have Cadian, you know.
Lord Jesus. Make you left Cadian.
Cause Cadian not gonna work well for me, you know. I never did that expect.
Okay.
Yeah, me just go buck up in that, you know.
Buck up in her.
Yeah, so me have 9 inch and me I tell you say.
She go on with herself.
Crawling duck, you know.
How was filming today?
Gruesome.
Butcher?
Grueling.
How was filming today? Yeah? You know we catch though. The Vish again.
Vicious. Yeah.
Vicious a film some already.
You know?
You see it there?
Yes, right, that's right. Alright. Yeah, shooting today was full of shots.
Yo, come say, shots of class, right?
Yes.
But you walk now, see? You see Miss Jen, we got Miss Jen, she walk up the hill.
Yeah.
Run,
Yeah.
Run, yeah.
She run go up the hill.
Second day of shooting, action scene. So we are doing it in reverse. You know what I mean? So when we put it together, we're not even gonna understand how it goes. But there are few.
You know, reverse. Yeah. Put the V in a R. Is it? Far. That is it. Put the mind that was there. I'm gonna grow up fast. Nah, tell them, man. There's some more to get on.
Brother, look on the place of burned down the other day. Big forest fire over here.
Green grass again. Hard.
Bro, be a water over there. Yeah, man, I water over there.
Where you go? You're not go over in a deep part there, sir.
You sink, man. No, man, forward through here, sir. When you reach here, sir, spin round and give me one of them. Move for them. Yeah? So this is your pausing point.
Oh, mom. You like it?